Okay. Let's play this game, some Sonic Riders Zero Gravity on PlayStation 2.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the EAS local primary station for the Vion City area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado warning, toxic material release, nuclear plant incident or other state or local emergencies that affects your safety, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Vion City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. All stations may now resume local programming.
What the fuck? The emergency alert system just had to interrupt me in the middle of my fucking game. That's it. I'm going to kill the man who is responsible.
Gargantuar Prime. What are you thinking talking about? You need to shut the hell up and stop whining like a bitch. It really annoys me when always complain about shit. Damn it.
Dad, please. I don't have time for your jokes right now. Don't get angry right now. You know what? I'm so going to the EAS studio now. When Gargantuar Prime got to the EAS studio.
What the? Young man. What the hell are you doing here? And why do you have a gun in front of my face?
Shut the fuck up, and that's none of your business, you son of a bitch. And don't move a muscle, you piece of crap. This is what you get for ruining my game of Sonic Riders Zero Gravity on my PlayStation 2. So I will kill you right now. Goodbye forever. Now, since you are dead, you don't keep making emergency alert system uses and ruin my games again. Enjoy for being dead, you motherfucker.
Gargantuar Prime. How dare you kill the emergency alert system reporter? Why did you do that?
But Dad, because I was so sick of fucking tired, for he interrupted me in the middle of my game on Sonic Riders Zero Gravity on my PlayStation 2. So that's why I had to kill him to dead.
I really don't give a stupid shit. No excuses, young man. You are grounded, 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 grounded for 65,252 months. Go to your room right now, you butt nuts.